Hello everyone, this is your girl Cynthia. I am very pleased to make this video today. As you can see, I'm very excited. I have been away for about 2 months, so guys, I'm back, and I want to say a very big thank you to all those who reached out to me during this period of absence. Yes, a couple of people reached out to me to find out if everything was going well with me, so I appreciate it. Actually, I felt a little flattered. Thank you so much, guys. If you're new on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up, because on this channel we talk about things related to marriage, relationship, motherhood, faith, and many more things. Guys, please kindly like this video. And for those that was coming back, a special greetings to you, and I say thank you, thank you, thank you. May God bless you. So guys, as you can see from the caption, I'm just going to be talking about motherhood today. This is something that is really close to my heart, because I just had a baby, guys. I just had a baby who is just a few weeks old. So that's the reason why I've been away. So this is the good news I want to share with you all. I took some time off to have my baby, and actually I also took some time after having my baby to recover. You know, it's not an easy thing. So guys, please do watch this video till the end. Thank you. As you can see, I'm in my pajamas. I just want to rush over this video quickly before my baby wakes up. Why I'm even making this video is because I was irritated by a video I watched on Facebook, a man flogging his mother. The caption of the video said the man was flogging his mother because his mother insulted his wife. I'm like, is that a good reason? Why would someone flog his mother? Someone who has suffered for you. Someone who could have died having you. You know, this journey of pregnancy, labor, and delivery is so difficult, guys. It's not a joke, especially for me. When I'm pregnant, I'm sick from first day to around 4 months into the pregnancy. So imagine going through all this, and at the end you have a child who is going to come back and beat you. Guys, that was crazy. So I got really offended with that video, and I said, let me just quickly make a video about motherhood, because mothers, you know, they sacrifice so much. You know, it's like they always, once you become a mother, you forget about yourself completely. It's just like, it's something that is, it just happens. It's not something that you plan for. You know, mothers put off their own careers because of their children. Some stop themselves from going to school, say, okay, now I have children, what's the point? Let me just let them go to school and I'll just look after them. So I'm just saying this because mothers, they put themselves last. They always sacrifice. So if you are saying you're not in talking terms with your mother, for whatever reason she may have offended you, please forgive her already. You have no idea the kind of sacrifices she could have made for you. Yeah, no, I know not all mothers are such great mothers, but guys, just the fact that she chose the option of having you, forgive her already. Call her and tell her you love her. Even if you don't have gifts for her, if you don't have money for her, if you have a mother, just call her and tell her you appreciate what she has done for you. Because guys, it's such a big sacrifice, you know, such a big sacrifice of love, I'm telling you. Sorry for the noise, that's my baby over there. So guys, I just want you to kind of put yourself in this. That's why I want to make this video. Put yourself in your mother's situation. Don't say I'm not a mother. You are not a mother, you don't understand. Let's say other people who are younger or who haven't had children yet, you're going to have children in future. And if you are a man, or let's say a male, you do not, and you will never have that exact understanding of whatever a woman has gone through. Guys, I'm just telling you. How do I even make you understand? The sacrifice is enormous. You sacrifice your body. After you've given birth, you put on so much weight. You deal with the stretch marks, you deal with the mood swings, you deal with the weight, you deal with a lot of things. At the same time, you are juggling the housework. You are the home teacher, you are the hairdresser, what else? You are the nurse, home nurse, you are the cleaner, you are the cook, you are this, you are that, juggling all that. Let's say you have, oh God, my mother had 6 of us. So after having children, I called and I said, oh mama, I know now what you've gone through. So thank you. I always say this to her and she would just laugh. Guys, after having any one additional child that I have, I love my mother. The love is increasing. You know, it's really increasing. My love for my mother is increasing, guys. Because I know exactly what she has gone through. Okay, let's say she even gave birth to us back home. Now I am not in my home country, so it is even more challenging abroad because you are on your own. You do everything by yourself. There is no one to help you, you know. So it's even more difficult. So I just want to let people know, if you're treating your mother badly, it's not good. Please try to make it up to her. Okay. There's one thing I want to share that was very particular about this last pregnancy. I had a nagging feeling that I wasn't going to make it from the labor room, guys. During those last few days of my pregnancy, I had this feeling. It kept coming to my mind and I kept brushing it away. It kept coming back. I kept brushing it away. So when I was already in labor, because they told me before, okay, you've had one cesarean section before, you can go natural again, you can have a natural birth if you want, you can give it a try. I said, okay, I'll choose that option. But if you do not want, you can just book for a cesarean section right now during my last visit. So it was a bit difficult for me to make that decision that, okay, I just want to go straight to the cesarean section. I don't want to go through with any stress of labor, you know, labor, right? So during labor, I went through labor and everything was going okay until since they were taking my blood pressure all through the pregnancy, and they were also checking the baby's heartbeat. Suddenly at the end they told me, no, the baby is tired and we have to proceed to do a cesarean section on you. So I had no option but to do it. And then to me, what came again to my mind was that, oh, is this the moment it's going to end? So I kept begging God, please let me come back to my children. Do not let me die here. Because that feeling was still there. Guys, it was there because it's something that happens, okay? It happens to other people. But to God be the glory, I made it out of the labor room alive. Praise the Lord, guys. So, but I had that nagging feeling. It kept coming back to me. It kept coming back. So let me tell you what really happened. So while they were taking me to the theater, guys, they gave me anesthesia. I think I went off. But what is funny about the story is, when I was trying to come out of the anesthesia, I was actually opening my eyes. So I was like, the eyes were closing back. I was trying to open my eyes. My eyes were closing back. To me, it was like I was dying instead, and I was fighting. So I was forcing my eyes to open, not to close, because I didn't want to die. So I was praying in my heart. So I told God in my prayer, I said, God, please do not let me die now. What will happen to my kids? What will become of them? They are still very young. God, please let me go back and continue the job you gave me to do. Let me go and finish it, guys. God, please, Father, let me go and finish it. So I prayed. I kept on praying. As I was still struggling to open my eyes kept closing back. I was actually fighting, and I kept praying. I said, God, if you make me die now, I'm going to come to you, but I'm going to be a very sad angel. Please let me go back to this kid. Let me go and finish this job. So, guys, long story short, after some moments, I got a clear vision. My eyes opened and I could read something on the wall. Surgical. Oh, and then I said to myself, oh, I'm alive. I can read. Surgical, CHOZ, something, something, something. I cannot remember. And then I said, oh, I'm alive. But I was still shivering I was cold. I was still shivering. And then my eyes were still not very clear, but I could read that. I said, okay, praise the Lord, I'm alive. So imagine, guys, there are women who die in the labor room, guys. I'm not trying to frighten anyone. These are realities of life. I'm just trying to make this video to make people know, other people who have not experienced this, to know just what your mothers have gone through for you guys. I've loved my mother always, but after having kids, I began loving her even more. Each time I have one more kid, I love her more. Each time I have one more kid, I end up loving her more, because that's when I get to understand I get a clear understanding somehow of what my mother has been through, guys. If you're not in talking terms with your mother, there's definitely something wrong. You need to fix this, because you cannot believe the kind of sacrifice your mother has made for you. Please call your mother. If you have a mother, call her, let her know exactly that you appreciate whatever she has done for you. Because believe me, you cannot really tell exactly what she has gone through. Mothers are just the best. It doesn't matter if you don't have anything to offer your mother, just call her and tell her you appreciate, tell her you thank her, just tell her you love her. That is why I'm making this video. It's just an appreciation. That's why I'm dedicating this video to my mother, mommy, as I call her. I dedicate this video to you, mommy. For all you've gone through for me and my siblings, I say thank you. Now that I'm a mother, I have a better and a clearer understanding of what you've gone through. I've always loved you, but I love you more and I'll continue to love you. Guys, I love you all too. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you can share your love for your mother on the comment section, guys. Let me know what you think of your mother. Let me know how much you love your mother in the comment section. And if this is your first time, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. And please, there are other videos I'm proposing for you to watch. Kindly watch them. Okay? At the end of the screen, you will see video. At the end of this video, right, you will see 2 videos I'm proposing. Please do watch them as well. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Hello everyone. I was expecting this to be my last appointment, or I am still expecting to be my last appointment. I'm almost 39 weeks pregnant. So according to my past pregnancies, I always give birth a few days to my due date. I am hoping I won't have to attend the next appointment. Yeah, I'm hoping to give birth before then. I'm just here. That's the sea right behind me. I don't know if you can see. I'm waiting for my ride to go back home. The hospital is a little bit far from my home, so I'm waiting for my ride back home. I decided to take a walk around here and to also take some fresh air. I hope everything goes well. Yeah, I'm already tired of being pregnant. It's 9 months already. I'm just praying the 9 months journey will end successfully. Briefly, I want to talk about motherhood, talking about pregnancy through labor and delivery. Actually, this journey is not an easy one. I've been here before. Actually, I'm a bit anxious when I think of the pain. There's no way to avert it but to go through it, guys. But believe me, mothers are superheroes. What we go through bringing forth babies to this world, if you're not in talking terms with your mother, you're not in good terms with your mother, what is wrong with you? Please, you have no idea what your mother has been through for you. You have no idea what sacrifices she has made for you. We are just the best. I cannot overemphasize it. I'm going to continue this video in another location, maybe in my home, because the sun is getting hot. I want to find shelter. So I'll see you soon.